Hello friends, this is the Locomotive steam engine train left by the Insular Lumber Company, owned by the American Hawaiian Lumber Company, operated in the Philippines for 100 years. Now, they left the Philippines, the area, and they donated their train to the Sagay City government. And now it is on display in the public city plaza in Sagay City. Anyone can see them for free, and I know there are some people from America around the world who are train enthusiasts that would like to see this. Just inquire Pinoy BRIT-OFW. Thank you.